Hi guys, for today's video, ang i-share ko naman is kung paano kumuha ng PSA online. And yung kinuha ko is yung Certificate of Live Birth. And 4 days lang guys, dumating na siya agad. So, umorder ako Feb 4 and then dumating siya February 8. So, 4 days lang talaga siya guys. And by the way, ito yung official receipt which is 155 pesos. But if you will order online guys, it's gonna be a different amount na or price. So, if bago ka pa lang sa channel guys, please consider subscribing po. Libre lang po mag-subscribe, okay? So now, let's go to browser. Google browser and then type nyo lang sa search box or search bar ninyo yung PSA. So by the way, nakapag-online na pala ako neto guys. And then I realized why not i-share ko sa inyo paano kumuha. So ayan, punta lang tayo sa PSA online, psahelpline.ph, the website. And then dito sa part na to, makikita natin kung ano yung mga available certificates na pwede nating kunin dito. Alright? And pwede tayong kumuha ng certificate of live birth, ganyan. Pwede tayong or birth certificate. Pwede rin tayong kumuha ng marriage certificate. Pwede rin kumuha ng death certificate and Sinumar. Sinumar is certificate of no marriage. Ganon. And so, click lang natin yung order now for the live birth since yun yung kukunin ko para sa anak ko. And yan, continue current order lang since nakapag-start ako. But if wala pa kayo, start a new order, okay? So, I click yung current order and for someone else which is para sa daughter ko, i-click ko lang yung my daughter. So, this is on behalf of my daughter since pa naman siya, 2 years old guys. So, ayan. So, click lang natin yan and we will be routed dito sa page na to and we will be asked to provide yung personal information natin. So, since ako yung kukuha, ilalagay ko yung personal information ko as a mother. Ayan. So, kailangan nating ilagay yung tama, yung gender, yung civil status natin, then lagay natin yung first name at saka yung middle name. Middle name, yun yung kapag hindi ka, yung middle name mo nung hindi ka pa kinasal, ganyan. And then your last name then, yung maiden last name mo, which hindi ka pa kinasal sa asawa mo, ganyan. Alright? And please make sure guys na tama yung spelling and also just to remind you na dapat walang space after nyong ilagay yung first name, your last name, ganyan. So, dapat make sure walang space, baka magka-error kayo kasi nagka-error ako sa part na to. So, this is to remind you na dapat tama yung spelling, ganyan, and then no space after ng first name and last name, ganyan. And after nyan, ilagay nyo yung birth date ninyo, yung month, day, and also yung year. And after nyan, yan, lagay nyo lang and kailangan yung mag-provide ng government issued ID. Okay? So, kayo na pumili kung anong ID yung kailangan or kung ano yung available na ID na meron kayo. So, for me, yung ginamit ko dito is yung UMED ID or yung SSS. Okay? So, pumili lang kayo kung ano yung ipo-provide ninyo. And click on continue guys. And after you click continue, you'll be routed to another page wherein kailangan nyo mag-provide ng information ng anak nyo. Okay? So, first is your daughter's first name. And then, next is your daughter's middle name. So, sa part ko, sa anak ko, since para sa anak ko to, sa anak kong babae, ayan, ilalagay ko muna yung information niya. And then, yung last name din niya. Alright? So, fill out nyo lang dyan. Sobrang dali lang neto actually guys. So, sundan nyo lang yung ginagawa ko and then lagay nyo din yung birth date. if you are ordering for someone else. But if para sa sarili nyo naman, go lang. Sobrang dali lang. So, as you can see, parang merong naka-highlight na red. So, that means nagka-error ako, guys. And that's what I'm telling you earlier na nagkaroon ako ng error sa MySpace after kong nilagay yung last name ko. So, dapat walang space. Ganun ka-strict. Ganun ka-strict si PSA, yung website. So, dapat tama lahat yung ilalagay natin. And then, after that, we need to fill out then yung birth date ng anak ko. So, again, yung month, yung date, and then year. So, after that, click on continue lang. And once you click on continue, you'll be routed to another page wherein father's information naman. So, if there is no father's name in the certificate of live birth, then you click lang yung box na yan. But if may asawa kayo and then married kayo sa husband nyo, ganyan, so lagay nyo lang yung father's information or your husband's information, ganon. Alright? And after nyong mailagay yan, all you need to do is just double check everything. Again, yung spelling, guys, please make sure tama yung spelling kasi of course ayaw natin na magkamali, diba? So make sure lang na tama yung spelling, walang space after nung mga first name, last name, middle name nyo dyan. Alright? So, ayan, your daughter's birthplace, ilagay nyo din, dapat tama din para tama yung natin sa makukuha nating PSA, alright? And sobrang dali lang talaga neto. So, and I'm using just my phone. Phone lang yung gamit ko dito, guys. So, ayan. This is for school requirement. Yun yung purpose ng request ko. So, malapit na kasi magpasokan. So, ayan. And then, your delivery address and contact information naman, yung dapat, yung sa akin, I chose nationwide, door-to-door. So, gusto kong ipa-deliver na lang para hassle-free. Ganon. Kasi wala akong time. Alright. So, mas preferred kong i-deliver na lang. So, use your address where you will be available to personally receive the birth certificate and we will keep you updated. So, actually guys, ang galing nila kasi nag-update talaga sila. So, parang nagbibigay sila ng update na paano na daw, na-receive na nila yung payment, ganyan, and then na-release na nila yung na-release na yung certificate, ganyan. So, talagang ang galing. Magiging updated talaga kayo sa na yung status ng order nyo, yung PSA, ganun. And then, dyan naman guys, ilagay natin yung current address natin. So, make sure lang natin na tama. And of course, dito sa part na to, maglagay tayo ng landmark para of course, hindi yung delivery driver. Madali lang nilang matunton or makita yung lugar natin, 'di ba? So parang lang kayo ng parang pa-Shopee or pa-TikTok order ganun. So make sure lang na tama. And of course, dito sa part na to, maglagay tayo ng mobile number. So by the way, yung guys, as you can see, my estimated delivery date, and then as nakita nyo din na Feb 8 ko na receive yung yung order ko, yung PSA. So, sobrang dali lang talaga. So, yung estimated delivery date nila nakalagay Feb 12, but I receive it Feb 8. Ayan. So, lagay nyo lang yung tamang mobile number ninyo kasi tatawag sila sa inyo, and your email address. So, you'll be notified sa lahat ng whatever the status of your order ng PSA. So, click nyo lang yung confirm, I confirm, and then click on continue. And once you click on continue, be routed to another page wherein method of payment naman. So, for me, I use GCash. and click ko lang yung pay using GCash. So guys, if wala pa kayong GCash account, feel free to click on or check on my video. I have a tutorial then on how to create your GCash account. Okay, so feel free to check. And ayan guys, yung amount due is 365 pesos. And later guys, I'll show you yung breakdown bakit 365 pesos yung kailangan nating bayaran. Earlier nakita nyo naman na 155 pesos lang yung yung receipt, official receipt. However, since this will be delivered sa house natin, magiging iba na kasi may service fee ganyan, may delivery fee ganyan. So, basta makikita nyo later on yung breakdown bakit 365 pesos yung kailangan natin bayaran. Alright, so again guys, feel free to check my other video wherein may tutorial ako paano mag-create ng GCash account. Ayan guys, sorry guys, no, not enough GCash balance pala ako. But don't worry, you will see there na I use GCash I still use GCash to pay para sa sa order na to for the birth certificate. So ayan, your GCash payment was paid. So this is the breakdown. So document fees 155 pesos, service fee ganyan, and the delivery. All right, so ayan guys, so sobrang dali lang talaga. If bago ka pala sa channel guys, please feel free lang to subscribe. Libre lang po mag-subscribe. Okay, so ayan guys, ito yung day na na-receive ko yung itong order ko na PSA Certificate of Live Birth ng anak ko. So ayan, sa mga bago lang dito sa channel na to and umabot kayo sa channel sa part na to, thank you so much. And guys, we are now road to 1,000 subscribers. So if hindi pa kayo subscriber, please subscribe po. Libre lang po mag-subscribe. And share ko lang itong snacks ko kanina. And you can always feel free to comment po and share this video sa mga relatives or loved ones ninyo na gustong kumuha din ng PSA and hassle-free. Alright, so I guess that's all. Bye for now.